I just wanted to show you na kahit hindi ka masculine man, makakahanap ka pa din ng asawa. Kahit strong independent woman ka or pabebe woman ka, makakahanap ka pa din ng asawa. But the question is, what's your preference? So look at this line, diba? So imagine, there you go. So imagine this is the feminine line and the masculine line. According to this theory, and this is one of the theories that we subscribe, you attract your polar opposite. So if I'm a very feminine woman, I end up with what kind of man? Polar opposite is a very masculine man as
very
well.
strong masculine man.
Leads, provides, protects. But if I am a woman who is in touch with my masculinity,
Masculine self.
nasan ako banda? Nandito ako banda.
Yes.
Sino makakatuluyan ko?
Opposite mo.
Yung masculine ba? Hindi.
Hindi.
Yung makakatuluyan ko is a man also who's in touch with their feminine.
Yes.
So, kung strong independent woman ako and I'm okay with dating somebody who does not take charge, it's okay. I still find a match.